premiere of You're a Very Good Girl.
Oh, that one! Oh,
I was there. Kami yung mga sinuwerte na makapagpa-picture at makipag-usap.
Kami yung sinuwerte.
Yes!
Ako mag-interview sa'yo.
I know you have a question for me. Pero sorry alam mo, first time ko ito. Pero...
Is it you? Hello, what's your name, sir?
I'm Leo. Nice to meet you again.
Leo.
Yes. Mamaya na pala. Sorry. Sige, question and answer.
Okay, question muna, Leo. So, tama na. This is easy.
Wala, hindi ko nakita.
10,000 steps a day or going to the gym? Since kanina we're talking about, taking care of ourselves, especially, physically, emotionally, and mentally. What would you pick? 10,000 steps or going to the gym?
Very interesting question kasi ako, nag-gym din ako at the same time.
But that was...
Kaya naman. Nag-gym din ako, but at the same time, I am a triathlete.
Oh my God!
Yes, so if papipiliin mo ako dyan, I will choose 10,000 steps.
Okay.
Because 10,000 steps for a triathlete, parang ano lang yan. Parang mani-mani lang yan talaga.
Oo naman.
Yeah, so if given a choice, I will choose 10,000 steps or more.
How often do you work out?
4 times a week.
Damn.
In the gym.
Okay,
in the
sa
gym.
gym.
But before pandemic, I used to run at least 10 kilometers twice to 3 times a week.
Wow, at least 10 kilometers.
That's before pandemic. Medyo nag-gain ako today. But that's my goal for this year. I have to at least run 600 kilometers for the year.
And then, diba, there's something with working out na after that, you just feel very energized, very accomplished, diba? For me, nare-relax ako every time I work out. After all the torture, after all the pain.
I know. The torture is really true.
Yeah.
But after you did everything, parang you can do everything na.
Correct. So, yun yung way mo pala to
Yes,
recharge from AIA. Good to know. Thank you.
Sorry nga pala yung selfie. Last ako, very, very quick lang.
She called me Tita.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm good. My name is Bernadette Noel. I'm from Zamboanga.
Hi, Miss Bernadette. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, Anigo Yavante Zamboanga and Visbin. So I'm just here to meet you for the first time, and
Wow.
I am just starstruck.
Wow,
You're
thank
so
you.
beautiful.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
so what's your question for me?
I have a question for you.
Okay.
Kanina pa ako sagot ng sagot and gusto ko marami
My turn.
rin ako.
Happy New Year and welcome to our kickoff!
Happy New Year, everyone! Good afternoon! Okay pa ba lahat? Yes! Grabe naman yung entrance. Nagulat ako.
Nagulat
Thank you
din
so
ako.
much.
Hindi ko rin alam na
Miss
may
Mel.
ganon.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Of course, thank you for having me. This is my first event for 2025. So what a way to start my year with you guys.
Special tayo! First event for 2025! Alright, so
Mga agents natin, it's we all have our struggles, and you can't vacation, and dito sa family for the holidays, of course. So I just felt so recharged after that. So every time I feel stress, I acknowledge na okay, I'm stressed, I'm gonna take a pause, and then I'll ask myself, what's causing my stress? Is it overthinking lang? Is it overwork? Or is it...
Alright, we are sure that everyone is getting pumped up with all the exciting initiatives and campaigns that we have planned out for the year for AIA, and we know these have inspired you to take action with passion and purpose.
But before that, syempre, I just want to thank Miss Catherine Bernardo, syempre! Thank you so much!
Pero babalik pa ako.
Oh.
Later.
Oh, wonderful, great. Hindi, babalik siya. Gusto ko. Hindi na kaya. But I just want to say thank you so much for your time.
Of course.
Thank you for your presence.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Yes.
Kilala ko siya kasi bilang Malia kasi.
Yes, kasama kami sa Laluna sa amin ni Dino.
And thank you so much for your tidbits, for your knowledge, then about planning your life because it's very, very important.
Adulting.
Adulting.
Of course, thank you.
Marami tayong natutunan kay Miss Kat, but Miss Kat before.
Alam mo, kasi ako, I think mas marami ako natutunan sa kanila today. Thank you so much for your answers sa mga natanong ko kanina. And again, Happy New Year, everyone. This is my first event with AIA. And this is such a special partnership sa akin because like what I said earlier, my mom used to work here. So thank you everyone for all your hard work. It's just the beginning of 2025, but naniniwala ako sa inyong lahat with your dedication and hard work. Kayang-kaya natin yan. Magtutulungan tayong lahat para maging maganda ang 2025 natin. Thank you so much for having me again and Happy New Year to my AIA family.
Once